Lesson 7 continued. In this example, we are going to solve this system by using the addition method. Another name for this method is the elimination method. The idea of the elimination method is we are going to multiply one of the equations by a number that will result in eliminating either x or y when we add the two equations together. So I notice that in these equations, the top equation has 3y, the bottom equation has negative y. If I were to multiply this bottom equation by 3, then I would have 3y minus 3y, which would eliminate the y variable, resulting in an equation with just one variable, which we can then solve. So I'm going to take this equation 2 and multiply it by 3. So 3 times 5x minus y, equals negative 26, which will give us 15x minus 3y equals negative 78. Now if I bring equation 1 underneath, that is 2x plus 3y equals 10. And what I'm going to do is then add these two equations together, which is where the name, the addition method, comes from. So adding the x's gives me a total of 17x. Negative 3y plus 3y eliminates the y variable, and that's equal to negative 68, which results from negative 78 plus 10. I now have one equation with one variable, x, and I can solve this equation by dividing both sides by 17, and that will give me x equals negative 4. But remember, the solution is an ordered pair, so I still need to find y. And to find y, we can plug this value into either equation 1 or equation 2, and we will get the same answer. I'm going to choose equation 2 because the coefficient of y is negative 1. So I'm going to plug x equals negative 4 into equation 2 to find y. So I have 5 times negative 4 minus y equals negative 26. So I took out x and I plugged in negative 4. That's going to give me negative 20 minus y equals negative 26. Now I'm going to add 20 to both sides, and that's going to give me negative y equals negative 6 because the negative 20 plus 20 cancels out. And now if I divide both sides by negative 1, that's going to give me y equals 6. So remember, the solution to the system is an ordered pair where x comes first and y comes second. So we want to list the solution as the ordered pair negative 4, 6, which is the same answer we got when we graphed this solution and the same answer we got when we solved it using substitution.